How to apply for RIIP? Check step-by-step guide. Go to website reeprajasthan.co.in. In candidate panel, click on registration for RIIP 2026. Click on register for RIIP. Check the box and proceed. Fill basic details. Enter mobile number and verify it by OTP. Enter email, ID. Create a password and save. Check the box and pay fee online. After payment, save and print receipt. Keep an eye on email for RIIP updates. For assistance to complete RIIP form and expert guidance on college and branch selection, visit RIIP Helpline. Enquiry now.